Hey everyone, I will just take your few minutes and in that time I will make it clear how you can ruin your preparation simply because of the hype surrounding a crash course. First of all, I am not a hater of PW. In fact, we know that PW has great teachers like MR sir, Pankaj sir and many more that actually help us in our preparation. And the second thing is I am not a hater of any crash course. But the actual problem is how a normal crash course is being hyped up so much. If you notice, you can clearly see that the Mission 100 launch video has been streaming live continuously for the past 2-3 days. If you are going through a YT, you can also observe many NEET mentors are talking about this crash course. They are not just talking, they are telling you about a new planner like how to score 650 plus with Mission 100 if you start from the January. They are making it seem like there is something special in it. Now what happens as a result of it is, if you are already enrolled in any batch and are studying with your respective teachers, so you will think that my preparation is not going well and I am not getting good marks in test. So I will do one thing, I will purchase this batch and then I will start studying from scratch with complete focus and dedication. And that is totally nonsense. A batch that is not starting yet, there are still 10 to 12 days. In this much time you can complete your organic chemistry portion, you can do many things, you can complete your periodic table. But while waiting for that batch, you will end up wasting these next 10 to 12 days as well. And you will start again with the mole concept in January and basic maths. And you will study basic maths for another 10 days. And again, that doesn't make any sense if you already learn these things. So stop being a fool. Don't push yourself to purchase any crash course. If you think this is valuable for you, then you will definitely go for it. And use every crash course according to your need. And don't waste these important days waiting for the crash course. Remember one thing, crash course only helps if you know how to use it. Thanks for your precious time. We will meet in another video. Thank you.